What's the meaning of cleft palate? Cleft palate. Cleft palate.
Cleft palate. Cleft palate. Cleft palate is a birth defect that occurs when the roof of the mouth, palate, does not form properly during fetal development. This results in a gap or opening in the palate, which can affect a person's ability to speak, eat, and breathe. Children with cleft palates may require surgery and ongoing treatment to correct the defect and prevent related complications. Without treatment, cleft palate can lead to issues such as ear infections, speech problems, and difficulty with dental hygiene. Overall, cleft palate can have a significant impact on a person's quality of life.